Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tepi and this channel is called Tepi for Justice. I am making this video to show you how to create an online case on Caselines for your attorney admission application. Pay attention, comment, like. Let's get into that video. The first and important thing that you're gonna do is to subscribe to my channel, and then when you're done doing important things, you can then go to Google search and search for Caseline South Africa. Then click on your sajustice.caselines.com. Thereafter, you are going to register yourself, your title, your name, and your email address. They're gonna send you an email to confirm your email. Then you're gonna do your password as well as your other details, and then click register, log on. Thereafter, and then when you log on, you're gonna put in your username or email address that you have just registered and the password that you chose. So either your username or email, then log on. Thereafter, you are going to create a case. The first part says this case is used for training. Do not click there. That is for people who are using it for training, like myself right now. You are just gonna go to templates and choose the correct template, code user group template. Enter the case name, enter the case number, the case number must start with the year according to the directives which are on your screen right now, and your username must have the correct prefix, and the correct prefix for attorney admission is attorney admission application. And then after the username and case number, you are gonna click get from template. It is important that you have the correct template, and then you are gonna click create. Here is the directives about the template. You shouldn't tamper with the template. The template is for office use. You can only enter case name and party names, and then you can click the back to list of cases. You'll see your case there, and then you can edit as you want. You can add a hearing, the time of your hearing that you have received from court. We know that court starts at 10. Then you are gonna select your hearing date that you have received from court. So you do not come up with your own date. You are only gonna select a date that you applied for and you have received from court. After selecting the date, you're gonna tap on add. See what else you can put in. Add party, that is the parties to the matter, because it's an ex parte application. You are the only party. Select add. Make sure that this is the template on your case. It's important that you have the correct template. If you have made any mistake, you can go down and there's a button there. change case details. You can change your case details. I'm gonna change the name because I didn't use the correct prefix, or I didn't use a prefix at all. So you must enter your case prefix, attorney, admission, application, followed by your name, and then you can save your details. Then there is your case details. Then the next thing, you're gonna invite people. Click there on people. Then you're gonna see a whole list of people who are automatically invited. The directive says that invite only the relevant profiles. Don't invite more than one unrelated or irrelevant people. So you are gonna remove case access from all the people except yourself and B. And then you're gonna invite new participant, the relevant one participant, that is yourself, your attorney, your advocate, the registrar, and LPC. Thereafter, you're gonna go to sections where you are going to upload document. Your section number is the same as your order number. First thing you're gonna enter in your section is your index to application. Section number is 1. If it's 1, then section order should be 1 as well. Then you're gonna save. Then you're gonna click on upload document. Thereafter, add file, browse, and then add the file. And there's a button there that says download. Then you're gonna click on it. You're gonna wait for it to load. Listen, it's not gonna tell you whether it has loaded or not. You just have to trust. After it says 100%, know that it has loaded. No pop-up message or anything like that. Then you can go back to sections and create a new section. Your new section is gonna be everything that is listed on your index to application. It's very important to note that you cannot upload your documents as a bundle. You must upload them separately in the order that they are listed on your index to application. Upload them and you're done. My disclaimer, guys, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as legal advice. I'm just trying to help, guys. The law changes frequently, so please make sure that you do further research. I've been feeling so